First women Inspector Generals of CRPF. For the first time in the history of Central Reserve Police Force, 2 women officers reached the rank of Inspector General. While IG Seema Dhundia will head the Bihar sector of CRPF, IG Annie Abraham will head the Rapid Action Force, RAF. In 1986, the CRPF became the first Central Armed Police Force, CAPF, to induct women in combat. Both Seema Dhundia and Annie Abraham were in the first batch of women officers who were inducted into CRPF in 1987. They had illustrious careers over the years. She served as the contingent commander of the first ever all-female formed police unit, FPU, in the UN mission in Liberia. Until recently, she was serving as the DIG in the Rapid Action Force, RAF. DIG, Operations in Kashmir Operations Sector, as DIG CR and Vigilance. She served as the DIG, Intelligence in the Force Headquarters and as